I'm not even going to lie, my energy is so low for this video. But hey you, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be making the bubble braids hairstyle. Let's get to it. The hair I'll be using for this video, I got it from Amazon, color 2 and 24 inches hair. So that was what I got. It comes in a 6-pack kind of rolly thingy. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, which I have opened already because I wanted to see if I actually got the right thing. So I wanted to see what the texture of the hair was, and this is what I got. This is what I wanted, so I'm cool with it. But this is how it looks like out of the pack. It's a Marley twist, no, Marley hair, sorry, it's not Marley hair. It's also Cuban. You can also use like Cuban twist as well. When I did my research, you see how these ones come in like a twist kind of, I don't know if you can see it comes in like some kind of twist thing. So when I'm making the hair, I'll actually unravel it, which I tried doing with this particular strand. So I'll unravel it like this when I want to use it, so that it's not like this single piece. I'll have like a fluffy piece to do, to work with. Yeah, I relaxed my hair last week, and of course, after relaxing your hair, if you intend to make your hair a week after, then you have to wash your hair again. So I've washed my hair. It's actually air dried already, but then the middle parts, the inside bits, is still a bit wet, and I would like to use the hair dryer to like kind of stretch it out a little bit. So let's start what we have come into the room to do. So I'll be going in with my castor and coconut oil from the Dahlia Naturals. Just got it at the closest store and to me, and then I'll be using my kids organics as usual. So I'll be using that before I blow dry my hair, and then putting it on the tips of my fingers, because it's my fingers I'm going to use to go in. So let's go. I'm just prepping my hair for this season because it is fully activated now. So it's fully winter season, which equals protective hairstyle, and I'm trying to take care of my hair better. So hence this hairstyle. So I don't know how long it will last. I don't know how long I would carry it for, but I'm hoping that it helps to protect it will, because I'm not going to see my hair in a long while, but it's also going to be a very different hairstyle. And I think I'm going to be the only person in Ireland wearing the hairstyle, and that's on per and period. No tampon. So I'm gonna be maybe the only person in Europe wearing the hairstyle. Beat it! Yes! I think it's giving me a bit more motivation now. Okay, and time for this baby. Mainly the ends. So now that my hair is blow dried, let's start the braiding process. Now the braids is not going to be tiny. No one has time for that. It's gonna be big, massive. Nah, I'm not saying it's going to be like 2.0. It's going to be big. Yeah, I'm thinking right now the back part is just going to be like 2. Normally my back part will be like 3. So yeah, I'll just work with that all the way up. I don't want it bulky. Yeah, so let's start the braiding. So I don't think putting gel on my hair during this winter period will be I think it will defeat the purpose of protective hairstyle for me. So so far so good. This is what I have done. Patterns, they are not really straight-ish, but I try to make sure that the one at the middle part, because most of the time my hair will be middle, so I try to make sure that that line was like you know, to the best of my visibility. And also the side as well. Well, all the other cuts is shiggity. So yes, it's too late. So I'll carry my hair like this, and probably tomorrow continue with that. So see yes. Hi guys, so this is another day, and I'm still on making my poodle puffs, puff hair. So I have actually done, I've counted the braids I have on my head, and it is 28. So I made this thingy I made them 28 pieces of each. So I'm going to be using 2 loosened hair in 1 strand of weave that I have on. Loosened and ready to go for action. I also have my wrapping hair, so I'll be using strands of this hair to wrap, because I'm going, when I crochet it in, just so that there's no loop or no knot there, I'll use a strand of this to like tie it on, because I don't want to take a hair out of the poodle puff thing to wrap it, if that makes sense. So I want to use this hair as a wrap hair. Like I'll just take like a strand, and then I'll just wrap it there, cut it off, and then yeah, use this to wrap the hair. Hopefully it's enough. One is enough for that. I also have my rubber bands, but they are very I'm not familiar with working with this kind of rubber band, but the one that I am usually used to working with, they're usually fatter, but this one is too slim. Even almost slim. It's slim. I'm scared that it may cut. So I'm going to start the poodle puffs just to get a hang of it, and when I have gotten a hang of it, I'll show you up front like the method I chose to do, like how I'm doing it basically. So I'll show it when I've figured out all the way through, and I'll show you how I'll do it when I get to the front part. I'm more pumped to get this done than I was the previous day, so yeah, let's go. Oh, I need to oil my fingers, giving ashy. It's puffing. It's puffing. Oh my days, it's puffing. I don't know, I think the hair is showing though. See my hair? So I'll just put it inside and conceal it and drag these places out like so, and move it a bit. Guys, I think we're up to something here. What's up, peoples? So I've been making my hair the whole night, and so far so good. This is what I have done. So my poodle puffs, or sausage hair, or I don't know what puff hair is a win. So this is the 2-piece strand that I had put aside. This is 2, but then I put them together, yeah. Then I'm going to twist it up that way, just the ends, and I'm just going to twist it up like that and hold it. Then let me do it for this side. Then I look at where the braid is starting from. Like, you know, when you're braiding your hair, it could be braided like towards, the braid would have started maybe like this. Maybe the braid would be facing this way down, or it could be facing sideways. So for this particular braid, it's facing sideways. I don't know if you can see, but it's facing sideways, so I'm going to insert the hair sideways. If it was facing down, then I'll go downwards, like I'll go through, or upwards. But since it's going sideways, I can just come in through the back, or I can go from here. Let me go from here. So I'll do this, and then I have to wrap it again. Do that, hold it in. Ooh, I'm going to put the strand all the way to match, and then this will be in between them, like so. Yeah, and I'm going to go in with this and put it almost where I'll measure it to a point where the first bubble would, so the bubble will be somewhere here. So I'll drag the piece of hair up to that point. I'll hold them together and go for a swing at knotting it. Yeah. So I have it knotted like this. Oh, I look so tired. I'm going to tie it like just once. Just make a loop, bring it in, drag it, release, and tight. Yeah. When I'm going to cut this piece of hair, because I need it for another batch, so I'm going to do the same thing and cut it around where the first poodle puff is meant to be. So I think it's going to be around this size, so I can cut from here and just do like a blend kind of cutting. I don't cut my hair, it's wearing so much in my hair. Yeah. We conceal the hair, you just have to keep on concealing the braided hair like this one into the bubble. And then I'm going to take the rubber, make sure that my hair is inside, and measure it. You can use your finger to measure the size, measure it, but honestly for me that would take time because I'll be precise to the T. So instead of that, I'm just freestyling and just imagine, okay, this should be around the size. So I'll just do this, and I'm trying to be careful so I don't cut the rubber band. That's what I've been doing. So yeah, so I've done the first poodle, the second one. Make sure the hair is still tucked inside. We're making sausages over here. Would you like some? Would you like some? And then I'll be leaving this section for the beads. The knot is here. See how it rhymes with my hair. I'm going to finish this other remaining part, and then I'll show you how I'm putting the beads on. Okay guys, I'm done with the hair. Boom, boom, ka. So now it's time for the beads. I'm just going to play with them. No, I'll probably think of a pattern when I'm putting them on, but I know every section out that'll be showing, that'll be exposed, will have something, everything. I love this one. It's just brown and cream and you know, brown, cream, and is it red? No, brown, light brown. Whatever. This one is like rusty, kind of like it's very, I love this one. I like it because it's just avant-garde. is weird but like still African. So let me get to putting the beads on my hair. No time for long talk. So I go like this, and then I crochet this and put it in the crochet hook, lock it in, get it out, drag it like so, and once it's in I pull all the way up. Boom, boom. Bead in. Because I'm pulling it all the way up, so I'm trying to rest it because of the hair fireworks, So after I've put in the beads, I take the ends of the hair and wrap it around just so that it forms a kind of ball, and I wrap it around until that particular hair piece is exhausted, as I'm doing it right now. And then I take a rubber band to secure it just so that the ends have like a kind of bubble as well, a kind of ball, and then it looks like so. Boom, boom. So this is the final result. Loving it. It's giving. Sorry, I'm just looking at myself on the side here, so take a picture. Oh Lord, let me see. Oh, because I'm on my bed. So this is how long it is. So it's all the way to this length, close to my navel. So I'll say it's like backline is really, long enough, and I can manage it. Yeah, see, I wore turtleneck on it even. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and you can do it as well to become the one of ones or the only ones doing this hairstyle. Bye.